hindi ko na matandaan kung kailan ako nag-last PET scan. Yung pinakaunang PET scan was probably late September or early October. Nakakaul lang. Yun, he had a cancer scare talaga. Pero nung nag-ano na sila, colonoscopy, endoscopy, I was fine. Etong bagong ginawa, ito lang, so, yung bago mag-Mother's Day.
May apa.
Mother's Day?
Oh, Mother's Day. Second week of May.
No, May 12 ang elections eh. So, May 11. Oh, see? That's mistake.
Yes.
Anyway, so parang, hindi na kami. Kaya-away namin yung what trivial matters.
Especially the dates.
Yeah, kasi parang medyo naaalala ko. Kasi wala nga akong balloons ng time na yun. Hurt na hurt ako.
Kaya dinala ka ni Bim ng balloon last week.
Nagtampuhan kami.
Yes.
So anyway, meron naman nakita dun time niya na fluid in my lungs. Pero konti lang naman daw, pero still, paano ka magkaka-fluid? Eh, na-clear ako for pneumonia, basta lahat ng test nagawa. So, they're wondering why. So, that's life.
Pero you're cancer-free. But you never had cancer.
Yeah. Parang OA na. Sa dami naman ng autoimmune. Kung magkaka-cancer pa ako, parang sasabihin naman nila na talagang kinuha na niya lahat. Diba?
Kota na.
Oo. Kasi even my heart is in good shape.
Yes.
Lungs ko may problema talaga. I've always been honest with that. So, kung magkaka-cancer, wait na lang kayo. Kasi I'm very honest. If it's gonna happen, it will happen. But not yet. I want to thank the people who have gone through the trouble of visiting me where I am right now. Kasi until now, hindi nyo alam kung nasan ako. Thank you. And to the family na allowed me to stay in their property, tumulong talaga sa paghinga. Yung nag-clear ito, tapos I've been breathing very well. Kaya lang, ang latest problem ko is that my blood pressure is now very low from being very high. And yun yung part of yung bagong na diagnose sa akin. Kinuha ko na lahat. Pero